Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, I'm doing well. And you?
Super great. I'm good. I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Indrajit and I'm from India.
Indrajit. Okay, cool. My name's Lacey.
Wow, nice name.
Thank you. You too. I'm glad you have internet today.
Yes, yeah, I'm very happy now because my
Oh,
server is going up. So on that day, my server is not working so well.
yeah. It happens to me too sometimes. It's not good for someone who
Yeah,
works on their computer.
yes,
So it's okay. Don't worry
it's
about it at
okay. Yeah.
all.
And
So,
so, yeah.
yeah. No, you go, you go. This is
Okay,
your time
okay.
to talk.
So, how have you been teaching English on Cambly?
I'm actually pretty new to Cambly. I've only
Oh,
been on about 1 month.
oh, wow, you are so new.
Yeah, I'm so new. And you? Are you new on Cambly or no?
Yeah, I am. I have been using Cambly over 5 months.
Okay, very nice. Are you looking for, I don't know, are you looking for like a new person to talk to, or how have you done Cambly in
Yeah,
the past?
I,
What
I, I
sort of
want.
thing works for you?
Yeah, I want to have a smooth, free, general conversation with some new people, so that I can understand their accent and also catch their uh, throwing, speaking English, spoken
Yes.
English.
Uh-huh. Okay. Very cool. Yeah, so
So
you're just looking to diversify your.
yes, exactly. And I want to improve my spoken English skill and also improve my personal growth for job purpose and also make me smart. So that's why switched to Cambly.
Very nice. Okay. So what do you do for your job? How will English help you with your job?
Actually, I am studying engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering,
Wow, super cool. Okay.
and only 1 year left to become graduate. So I have to present my project in English, and I also attend some interviews from different companies. So
Uh,
that's why I want to improve my spoken English skill as well.
yeah. Fantastic. So you're a student. Are you a full-time student right now? Or are you working and
Yeah,
studying or just studying?
yeah, I am just studying, and also
Nice.
I have one YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
So that's why it is I want to share that it is monetized.
It
So
is
I am very
what?
happy. It is monetized.
Whoa, cool. What kind of
So
YouTube channel is it? What do you do?
it, I want to share my experience of Cambly through, so, and also some English tips, some
Ah,
grammatical errors.
very nice. So you like talk about your experience about learning English on,
Yes,
and you put the videos
and
on YouTube.
yes, so that a lot of people can get confidence like me and also practice looking these videos, this conversation.
Ah, wow, that's very smart. Like, did you think of that or did you, I don't know, how did you start doing that? That's really cool.
Yeah, exactly. So that I can help some people.
Yeah, yeah. And do you do the
And
videos in English?
yes, obviously.
Okay.
So my speaking speed is slow, but I speak mostly English
Okay.
in this video, so that I can and also I can speak slowly so that
Uh-huh.
they can understand.
Yes, of course. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you did the videos in another language, so other, people who didn't yet know English could understand the
Oh,
videos. But I wasn't sure. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, so you're
So
studying
and yeah,
engineering.
yeah, I am studying engineering, and
Wow.
so are you? Is it the hectic schedule for you?
Say it one more time.
Is it a hectic schedule for you?
You mean like my work schedule?
Yes, because looking you that you were working before my calling you. So,
Ah, yes, I was. I have quite a bit of kids that I
oh,
regularly give lessons to,
oh, wow, so
which
nice.
is really nice because,
Really.
you start to know them and and they're kids, and they start to get really silly, and it's just funny when
Yeah.
you feel like you know them. But yeah, I work. I don't actually work that many hours, but I have a lot of regular students, so that makes me super happy.
Yes.
Yeah,
Great, great.
exactly.
And so is it offline or online?
What do you mean exactly?
I mean to say you teach through Cambly or offline in
Oh,
person?
okay, okay. Right now, I'm doing all my teaching online, all of it
Oh,
online.
great. That is great. That's great.
Yes, and yeah, especially with the virus and everything right
Yes.
now, I'm happy with everything online. Yes. I've
Yes.
actually never taught English in a formal classroom, like with a bunch of
Oh,
kids. I've never taught English that way. Um, I've
oh,
done a lot of online, and I've done a lot of like small, like tutoring, like one-on-one tutoring.
oh, I see.
Yeah, but I've never taught like a class, if you know what I mean.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So,
And
yeah.
I like word gotcha. That means got it. Something like that.
Got it. Gotcha. Yes. Exactly. It means got
Okay.
it.
And
Correct.
where do you live? I want to ask.
Yeah. I live in Spain right now.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
so you are originally Spain or
I'm from the
America?
United States.
Oh, United States. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, I'm American. Yeah,
And
but I live
also,
in Spain. I'm living in Spain.
oh, right
Mm-hmm.
now.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Oh, and I want to something that in Spain, uh, what is the second language? The first language is Spanish,
Yes,
right?
correct. Correct.
And the second is English or what?
Well, that's a really good question because it depends on where you are in Spain.
Oh, I see.
Spain has a lot of like smaller, like local languages that a lot of the world kind of doesn't really know about. But if you come to
Oh,
Spain, so I live in an area where the other language is called Valenciano. I live in
oh,
the Valencia community. And so
I see.
all the road signs are in Spanish and Valenciano. Um,
Oh, I see.
but in
So
other
it.
parts of Spain, it's going to be Spanish and another language.
Oh, I see.
Hmm.
So in there, anybody who are keen to learn English?
Is there anybody here?
Yeah,
Um,
who are showing eagerness to learn English,
say that one.
like me.
Say that one more time.
Yeah, yeah. Is there anybody who are very avid or keen to learning English language like me?
Here in Spain,
Yeah,
or do you mean like in general?
in general in Spain, especially.
No, I actually don't have any students here in
Oh,
Spain other than the mom of my partner. But she's like my mom, so I don't make money off of her or anything, but she is
okay.
really wants to learn English. Yes. Mhm.
Oh, I see.
Mhm. Yeah, and there's a lot of people that know some, but their English isn't great usually.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but there are quite a few British people that live in the area where I live. So there's a lot of people from England.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And yeah, it is like Spain is like India because India has diversity, and in West Bengal we are speaking because our native language is Bengali,
Okay.
and and we are very keen to learn English
Okay.
with Bengali,
Okay.
and some of parts speaks mostly Hindi,
Yes. Okay. Okay.
and in South they speak Tamil, Telugu.
Okay. Okay. So where so
So
you
it is
you you said you live in Bengal?
West Bengal. In West Bengal,
West Bengal. And where is that in India?
it is east. It is eastern part of India.
Eastern. Okay. Okay. Very cool.
In the city name is Kolkata.
Calcutta. That's like an
Do you know?
old, yeah, that's like an old British trading, sailing and trading post, right?
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
I just know it because I'm a big history like
Oh,
person.
oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Um,
I want to say that you just grab my word. That I want to say that you are history lover.
yes,
You love
I'm
history.
a history lover. Yeah,
Okay.
I studied history in school.
Oh, wow,
Mhm,
great.
mhm. Yeah. So are you
Okay, so you have a lot of knowledge.
yeah, thank you. I like to think so too. I don't know. I really value learning and I value formal and non-formal education. Um,
Oh,
and I value learning from like lived experiences. So I like to live in other places. So
okay.
I try to like live in other countries and I like to travel because I think that, it gives you so much information about the world
Yes,
and about
exactly,
people.
exactly.
So I just really appreciate that a lot.
Learning some new cultures, new languages.
Exactly. Yeah. So have you traveled a lot outside of India? Have you been around
Yeah,
Asia
till
or
not, but till not, but my dream is to visit to travel USA or UK.
Ah, okay. Wait, both of them or which one?
Both of
Both of
them.
them. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Well, if you're going to come to the US, you definitely need a long time to visit because it is a huge country,
Yes,
right?
yes. I need that, and I want to visit there.
Where do you want to go in the US? What place seems the coolest to you?
Uh, California, New York, Texas, Florida.
Okay, so like the big, like those are like the big four. You can call them the big four.
Where are you from?
I'm
In
from North Carolina. It's in between
oh,
New York and Florida. North Carolina's right in the middle.
okay, got
So
it.
it's on the East Coast, right? We have the Atlantic Ocean on our coast. But yeah, we're not close. We're like a couple hours from Florida and a couple hours from New York.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
exactly. Or a lot of hours, actually. Like a lot of hours. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess India's a huge country too, so you're used
Yes,
to that
obviously.
also. Yeah.
Yeah. Have you visited India
I
before?
have not. No, I have
So you should visit once in your life.
I really would like to. The furthest east I have been is Greece. So I haven't made it. I haven't
Oh,
made it to Asia yet. I haven't made it to India or the Middle East. I really, 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 really would like to go.
yes, you should. You should do one day.
Where should I go in India? Where do you think I should go?
That is first is my city, that is Kolkata, because there are a lot of places to visit
Okay.
there and a lot of historical places too.
Ah, yes, that makes sense. Uh-huh. Calcutta. Okay.
Yeah, and also
Okay.
Mumbai, Delhi, and Agra, Taj Mahal, the seventh miracle,
Yes, yes. It's in where?
the seventh miracle of world.
Yeah, but what city
That
what
is
city is it in? Is it in Delhi?
in
In
Agra, in
Agra.
Agra,
Okay, okay, okay. Is Delhi where they
and
make all the where do they make all the Bollywood movies?
yeah,
In
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay, okay, okay. I
Yes,
gotcha.
and also the Red Fort at in Delhi, and also there are a lot of mm, cultures
Yes.
are present in south of India,
Ah,
southern part of
okay.
India.
Yeah, no, that's really
So
interesting to me.
yeah, and you see, you look, you as you said that you are a history lover, so you can get a lot of knowledge
Yes,
from there, from India.
exactly. Yeah, it has a lot of history that's really interesting.
Yes,
And
and
I love the food. First of all, I love Indian food,
yes,
but
yes,
I love like the art,
exactly.
a lot of the architecture and kind of like the I don't know, like the physical style of the architecture and like I don't know, it's very different from what I'm used to and I think it's very beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. And ma'am, my time is running out
Yes, it
harshly,
is.
so it was really lovely to meet you, and I definitely make another reservation
Okay,
with you.
fantastic.
And I want to say that your glass is really
My
nice.
glasses. Ah, thank you. I have 3 different pairs, so you'll see me in lots of glasses.
Oh, wow, great. So
Very nice
great.
to meet
So
you.
take
Take
care,
care.
stay safe,
Bye. See
bye.
you again. Ciao.
Yeah.